Welcome back to another episode in the Mk2 Fiesta project. So I've been a bit absent recently. I haven't really been working on the car that much, but the other day I was looking through Facebook on the forum and I found a XR2 steering wheel that I couldn't miss out the opportunity of buying. So in this video I'm going to be fitting that and cleaning it up. Also, some of you might have heard of a detailing company called Carbon Collective. And basically recently they've released some leather wipes, so I thought I'd give them a little try today as well, because the way I want this project to go forward is by reviewing products as well, so other people can use them. So I'm going to be cleaning up the wheel, fitting it and giving my honest opinion on the result pretty much. Right, I'll show you the wheel then. You'll have to ignore the stripped out door cards at the moment because I'm still trying to get everything back together, but there's something special coming for them, so just wait and see. So this is a wheel I managed to pick up, a bargain I think, £20, not too bad. As you can see there's a little bit of wear, but that's what you expect for an old steering wheel, but there's still a fair bit of material left on there and good enough for me. So comparing the XR2 wheel to my old wheel, this one's a lot skinnier, doesn't really have much character to it, so I'm glad that I've managed to pick one of these up. And these are the wipes I've been talking about. They're leather cleaning wipes. You get, I think it's 5 of each, so you get 5 deep clean and 5 light clean, but they come in little packets like this. I've already used a light clean one on my daily Fiesta, so if you do want to see a video of that or just a before and after, then you can check it out on my Instagram. But for the XR2 wheel I'm going to be using a deep clean leather wipe. So here's all the instructions and the boring stuff, but I'm just going to get to cleaning the wheel, do a quick time lapse, and then I'll show you the results afterwards. Right, so this is the state of the cloth afterwards. I don't think that steering wheel has been cleaned in a while, let alone even on a vehicle. First impressions of this deep clean leather wipe is pretty good. It's got rid of all of like the surface stuff apart from that little bit there, and it looks pretty good. What I'm probably going to do now is use the other one, which is just a light clean, just to finish it off and see if I can get a bit of this shininess down, because in leather shininess is normally dirt or grease. So these are the 2 wipes. That's a deep clean one, that's a light clean one. As you can see there was still loads of dirt to get off it, and I'm even tempted to do another light clean one on the wheel. So I've just left the wheel to dry in the car, and I'm really impressed with the results so far, but we'll see what it looks like once it's actually fitted to the car. So it's pretty straightforward to remove that old wheel. Literally just got to pick, get in there and leave that out. There you go. Right, now the cap's off, just a case of getting the 22mm socket and unscrewing that nut. Right, didn't come off straight away, but with a little bit of wobbling, it's free. Another thing with this steering wheel compared to like modern day ones is modern day ones normally have like a tiny little groove at the top, but this is just a hex. So I guess it is easy in a way, but you just can't get it off a little bit. All got to do now is fit the XR2 wheel. So as I said a minute ago, it's got like a hex, so you just want to keep it on straight. And as I thread the nut on, it'll just push it down. Alright, that's it. Last thing to do is stick the cap on. Top bit goes in first because it's got that little lip there, then the bottom bit just slots in with that bottom bit there. So I'm going to try and do this on camera. Don't know how well this is going to go. I had to put the camera down because I need both hands. Sorted. Well, yeah, that's the XR2 wheel on. Makes a bit more of a difference, a bit of a meatier wheel. I think it's going to be much nicer to drive. So what I'm going to do just to finish it off is whack one more of them wipes all the way over it and see what the best result I can get is. But I'll just let that dry and then I'll show you the finished results. As you can see, the last wipe's still dirty, so steering wheel still isn't that clean yet, but cleaner than what it was. Right, that's going to pretty much do us for this video. Really happy with the results. One thing I want to put out there is I bought this stuff myself. I haven't been given it, so I'm not promoting Carbon Collective, or this isn't like a sponsorship or anything. I'm just doing my review on the wipes. Overall, I think they're a really good product for how much they're worth. The deep clean work really well on the XR2 wheel, so I'm really happy with that. And the light clean worked on my other daily Fiesta, the Mk2 one, really well, and it finished off this wheel brilliantly. Also, while we're on the theme of product reviews, I just want to throw out there and ask people if that's what they'd want to see more of, because I really like doing it and I really like giving my honest opinion, because then it will help other people. So yeah, if you want to see more of these, then just whack a comment in the comment section below, and I'll be willing to do that. Also, I know the videos haven't been that frequent for the Mk2 Fiesta project, but they're coming back and they'll be thick and fast once I sort everything out. That's pretty much it then. So if you're new around here, then subscribe if you want to see more content, more product reviews. Let me know what you want to see. Give the video a like and a share, it always helps. I'll drop my social media links below, so if anyone wants to follow me on them. On Instagram I upload about every day or so. Wicked. So see you guys in the next one.